Trying to keep him from the cold, is he? Oh, she, sorry. Is it he or she? She. Yeah, she's feeling the chill, has she? Oh, she's got some tissue on her nose now. Hey, you, can I help her? Yeah. Oh, what you got there? Oh, I'm a photographer. I usually photograph people, but can I photograph your dog? What's her name? Luna. Oh, beautiful. She's not a puppy anymore, is she?
No, she's 4 years old.
4, okay.
And her boss is in the shop.
Of course, your boss as well. What's your name?
Griff.
Griff. I'm Hua, Griff.
Sorry?
Hua.
Hua.
Yes. Thank you, Griff. And Luna. Oh, look, I got feather on me as well now.
That's the trouble. Everywhere she goes, she vacuums.
Ah, yeah. She's very still right now, so let's see if I can do a... And she looks away, huh? She's adorable. Look, is she, oh, sorry, I scared you by trying to... There's some shots of Luna.
You're taking a picture, don't
Oh,
you?
thank you. Can I take a shot of you in it as well? Is that okay?
You can tell me if you want me standing up or sitting.
No, just stay like that. I post this on my social media. That's not a problem with you, Griff. All right, let me just take a shot of both of you. Luna.